Stop looking through the screw hole. You look like a drunken old man. Take a. I don't like young people.
Shut up! Okay. I already think I know who wins this, mother.
You can't. Hann slapp frá mér mig að tala. Wait. Can you do that again?
Let loose. Yeah, now you have to see what I'm doing.
Do it before my bladder explodes.
Okay. Oh, in your face, in your crotch.
My crush?
In your
What does my crush have to do with anything?
What?
Crack from his tail, and the beast was done. He said, "Be you angels?" And we said, "Nay, we are but men." Rock on!
Love him. Oh yeah. Oh my god, yes, serious. Wait, how they stay like that? Stay like that. Open the door. Wait. You should see yourself. Open the door.
Get it.
Woo!
I say you.